Hi, have you ever wondered what it would cost to remove a shrub or a tree in your yard? That's what this video is about. I'm going to talk about, we have some new landing pages here at AMS Landscaping in Phoenix, Arizona. We're going to be able to show you exactly what it costs if you have a tree similar in size. We have these particular images saved on on this landing page that'll show you the exact cost of what it takes to cut down a tree that might be the size of tree that's at your home that you want removed, or maybe it's a shrub. Maybe you're thinking about completely removing a whole bunch of plants and trees in your yard. And you just, calling around, you kind of just want to get a ballpark maybe. There's a great way for you to do this now. There's two pages actually. One is there were so many plants and shrubs on one page, we decided to separate the trees. So there's a trees page and a shrub page that you can actually view the pictures. You can click on the pictures to make them bigger to kind of see if they compare to the shrubs or trees that you have at your home. And you can see what we charge here at AMS Landscaping to cut those down and obviously haul them away and dispose of the debris, so that you just kind of know upfront before you even contact us. Just another tool that we're offering here at AMS Landscaping. If you want to check out our website, azlawns.com, but I'll be sure to add the links to this, whether you're looking at this on my blog or on my YouTube channel or whatever social media you're watching. Be sure to add those links for each page, for the shrub removal page and the tree removal page, that you can actually get pricing on exactly what you're looking for. If you have any other questions, my name is Eli Hall here at AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. You can follow us on Instagram or Twitter at AZ Lawns, or you can check us out on Facebook or YouTube at AMS Landscaping. Make it a great day.